Potato party, potato party, potato party, oh yeah! It's a potato party! Woohoo!
Whale snores! Murgatroyd Mudspud is tired at the end of another exhausting day. And when he goes to sleep in his bedroom, his awful loud snoring keeps the whole neighbourhood awake. Everybody's furious with poor Murgatroyd, except the Blue Planet film crew, who think there's a real whale in town.
I am not a whale!
But then, Murgatroyd has a brilliant idea. An idea which will not only restore his popularity, but will also make him money! Yippee! Murgatroyd will record the noise of his snoring and sell it to insomniacs as the sound of relaxing whales. If you want to sleep all through the night, then a sound of singing whales will see you right. Oh yeah! Murgatroyd's made a fortune selling his relaxing whale songs. And his neighbours now think that his snoring is cool whale music, so they all get a good night's kip. Hurrah! Everyone's happy except the Blue Planet film crew, who still think that Murgatroyd's snoring is a real whale.
I am not a whale!
So, get a life, Murgatroyd, and maybe just try sleeping with your gob shut.
Potato party, potato party, potato party!